In today's video, we are going to be teaching you how you can make an easy $50 every single day with today's 5 featured websites. The websites that we are going to be sharing with you today will be of great help to you in starting up a new income stream. These websites are all free, so you don't need to worry about having to invest or making any cash advancements or any of the sort. These websites are also mostly worldwide available, but try them out for yourself to see if it works in your area. Our methods for today are completely fresh. We've never even talked about this before on our channel, and we think that all of these websites would be great opportunities for each and every one of our subscribers. We know that you guys love it when we bring really simple methods and when we bring a bunch to you all at once. And that's why we've been trying to do it more for all of you guys. We hope that you will enjoy these websites and this video in general as much as we enjoy discovering them and creating today's video. The best part about our websites for today is that most of them you can do on your phone, so you won't even need a laptop or a desktop computer to be able to make money like this pronto. Make sure that you watch through this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our making money online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Our first website is called Qme.com. This is their website. Share your opinion and shop to earn real cash rewards. Earn cash, not swag or points. So right away, you'll be informed that you are going to earn actual cash from this, not points, not gift cards, but real cash. So don't worry about that. This website or this specific method can be done on your phones, so you can download the app on both Android and iOS devices, so don't worry about that either. If you scroll down, it says earn cash by completing surveys anytime, anywhere. You can do this while you commute, you can do this when you're in a rush, and you can even do this while you study to get that degree. This is just awesome. Even getting paid isn't a hassle here, because all you need to do is get a verified PayPal account and you'll get paid straight into your PayPal account. So what are you waiting for? Make sure that you try this website out, and let's get into the next one. Our second website for today is called fieldagent.net. But to get to the website's Get Paid to Work section, we want you to type in www.fieldagent.net/press/make-money-doing-small-jobs. Make sure that you type that in correctly so you'll be brought to the right page. You can pause this video, look at it, and copy it and type it in your URL. Now, as you can see over here, Field Agent, make money doing small jobs with your phone. If you want to make money with your phone, one of the easiest ways I've found is with the Field Agent app. The free app pays you for mystery shopping, doing market research, and performing audits at retail stores. As long as you complete the job in the allotted time, you will get paid. Field Agent is available for download for Android or iOS. If you want to know how to make money with Field Agent, here's everything you need to get started. So let's go on the Google Play Store to see how the app would actually look like. This is what it should look like on Google Play Store and on the App Store. It might look similar to this, but as you can see, you can find tasks near you, earn as you go, complete a variety of tasks, and make real cash as we promised. So it's very simple. Everything you need to know would be on their website or the app itself, so make sure you visit Field Agent to know more and try it out yourself. Since we've mentioned that today's video is very much doable with just your mobile phone, we actually want to know what devices you have on hand and if you're an iOS or an Android user. Let us know by leaving a comment down below. We'd love to read them. Now let's move on. Our third website is called Google Opinion Rewards, and to visit their website, just type in surveys.google.com/google-opinion-rewards, and this is how their website would look. Your opinion is valuable. Earn rewards for helping us improve our products and services. You can download it both on the App Store and the Play Store. Now let's just go ahead and visit the app. This is how the app would look like if you looked it up on the Play Store. And again, it would be similar on the App Store as well. But basically, this website pays you to answer surveys, and you can answer surveys even if you only have 20 seconds to spare. You can earn $1 from that. Again, great opportunity, so make sure you try this website out and let us know in the comments down below. Our fourth website is called onespace.com. Now, to find the job section of this website, we want you to type in freelance.onespace.com/freelancers and hit enter on that. As you can see, steady work, flexible lifestyle. OneSpace is searching for qualified applicants for the following positions. If you don't see a position that fits your skill set, submit your application and we'll contact you if and when a relevant opportunity becomes available. So they will even cater to your needs, to your skill sets, to what you're looking for. Now, we've introduced a lot of freelancing platforms on our channel already, but we've never included this one yet, which means that this is fresh. Not as many people know about it yet, which means that getting into this as early as now would be opening so many doors for you. So make sure that you go on here, apply, and then let us know what jobs you applied for and update us on the application, because this opportunity is just as great as the one that we just showed you. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Our fifth and last power website for today is called GigWalk, and to get to their website and on the Find a Work section page right away, that would be gigwalk.com/gigwalkers. And as you can see on here, to get started, all you need to do is to download the app, register your account, link your PayPal account to get paid, which is our personal favorite, and find and complete gigs in your area. So this website is kind of like a tasking website where you can complete local tasks or tasks that you can do from anywhere in the world and get paid for it. Some benefits would be having a flexible work schedule, whether you just need to make a few extra bucks or want something more. With GigWalk, you can choose when and how much you want to work. You can even choose the gigs that interest you. You can pick gigs that take anywhere from 5 minutes to a few hours based on how much you want to make, from $3 to $100 or more. It's not even complicated, it's just simple reporting. Everything's done through the GigWalk app. No timesheets to fill out, no emails to send. Your mobile phone and the app are literally all you need. It also has a quick and easy payment. GigWalk links to PayPal, so once a job is finished and approved, the money is sent directly to your personal PayPal account. Another awesome opportunity that you definitely wouldn't want to miss out on. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.